Hi, I'm Jay Sellers with the Brunswick-Glynn Joint Water and Sewer Commission. I want to spend the next 2 minutes talking to you about how and why the JWSC was created. This journey started with an idea. In the mid-2000s, the City of Brunswick and Glynn County utilities were both faced with the same dilemma. How can those that live, work, and vacation here trust that decisions would be made to invest limited resources into maintaining aging systems, many of which could be made more reliable by connecting those systems together? This wasn't a new idea, but starting in 2005, the board members and management teams of both local governments began conversations that would lead to the formation of an operating agreement. After 2 years wrestling with the details of this agreement, both boards decided to move forward with what would become known as the Brunswick-Glynn Joint Water and Sewer Commission, born on January 1, 2008. Plans were made to transfer critical staff from each utility into this new group. Ownership of all of the assets and liabilities were then transferred over so that one management team could coordinate maintenance and administration of all 30,000 service connections under one more efficient and effective agency. This new local agency would be given oversight by members of both the city and the county board, members appointed by the local grand jury, and those selected by voters. Though the physical makeup of the board has changed a few times since we started, what we value most has not. We don't only manage water and sewer services, we manage public trust. When you and your family go to the kitchen to get a nice refreshing glass of cold water, we want you to have confidence that the water you consume is the highest quality. When you flush or take a shower, we want you to be able to expect reliable service. Thank you for trusting us for over 10 years now. We thank you for going on this journey with us and look forward to the progress that we'll continue to make. Please subscribe to our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Over the next year, we'll be posting videos and other content for you each week. Every day, the staff of the JWSC is here to serve you.